Right, this is Dave with the solar tracker. There we are. You can see on the charge unit today, and there's not much sun, we have got 13.4 whacking into the battery. Nice one. Right, a little chat about what we did. This is 12mm rod, and it swivels on that bit there, so there's that swivels against that, and then there's another one up here. Use the nut to swivel on, and inside there is a 6 RPM motor. I can clear that one up so you can see. Come on, wait for it. There we are. Come on, focus. Be a good boy. No, it doesn't want to do it. Alright. Anyway, you can take it from me at 6 RPM, 12 volts. So, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. And there it is. 6 RPM, 12 volts, finally. Right, the cover, well, very technical, that cover. That's a pot I found kicking about. I used a 12mm studding down there. Comes down to the thing, there's a pin there, so it can pivot on that pin. And the two panels, there's the panels, that is 12 volts per side, so that one's 12 volts that side. One drives it one way and the other panel drives it the t'other. This one here, exactly the same, the up and down, and the angle on the end here, that across there is 30 degrees. So I'll give you some sort of idea. That's what I did. Come back to the panel. This is the panel I bought off of Amazon. It was 15 quid, so there we are, and it's charging the battery nicely, so that's all that matters. And the charge controller wasn't included, which was a separate price. So you can see on the charge controller it's whacking it in there, 13.6, and it's only a little bit of sun. It also charges just with daylight, this particular panel, so that's good. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget, up on the flip side we'll catch you again. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, subscribe, and thumbs up would be nice. But we hope you all enjoy watching this one, and if you want any more details, just drop it on the bottom in the comments. It wasn't that expensive, so you get 2 panels for a tenner, I think it was, and that's 20 quid worth of panels. It's 35 quid plus the motors, and you can get them on Amazon as well. So there we are. This is Dave signing off. We'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.